Hello everyone, welcome back to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest update from South Sudan and around the world. You are watching Changfied News channel where we bring you the latest breaking news, real stories and people voices from South Sudan and beyond. Before we begin, please take a moment to subscribe to our Changfied YouTube channel. Hit the like button and press the notification bell so you never miss our update. Your support keeps us going. Well, let's begin with a major update from Juba. According to new information, some of Dr. Riek Machar's personal bodyguard who had been arrested by the government have now been released. But this release comes with a sad and urgent situation. The men are currently admitted at Juba Teaching Hospital. They are in serious condition and in need of urgent blood transfusion. Families and supporters are appealing for immediate help to save their life. This decision to free them reportedly followed the death of one of Machar's close office members, Luka, who tragically died in custody after being denied medical treatment by the authorities. The incident has raised many questions about the treatment of many questions have been asked about the treatment of detainees and the ongoing political crisis in South Sudan. Human rights observers are calling it a clear violation of international humanitarian standards. We must remember these men are not just political prisoners. They are fathers, sons, and brothers. Their release should be a step toward peace, not another reminder of suffering. Viewer, what do you think? Should the government be held responsible for Luka's death? Leave your comment below. Our second top story is the SPLA-IO Sector 3 on cattle raiding in Neural. Now to Neural County, where the SPLA-IO Sector 3 leadership has spoken out strongly after criminal raided cattle in our youth. In a statement seen by Lish TV, a social media page, Lieutenant Cole Kornyang, the communication officer for Sector 3, described the raid as the work of the SPLA-IG, SPLM in government element, not a decision made by the local Nuer community. He explained that this act was designed to block the spiritual leader Makwaitut from traveling to Malakal and to create division between the Law Nuer and Gawer community. But Kornyang reassured the people that Law Nuer and Gawer are brothers who have always stood together during difficult times. He stressed that Law has no intention of betraying Gawer and instead will stand with them in this time of trial. Sector 3 under Major General John Luke Bayek, together with the Law Chief, promised to make sure the criminals are held accountable. This statement is important because cattle raiding has long been a root of conflict in South Sudan, often fueling cycle of revenge. But in this case, SPLA-IO is saying the raid is political, not tribal. This is a powerful message to stop division and promote unity. Stay tuned for more update on this story. Our third story is joint operation in Mondari, Western Equatoria. We are now moving to Western Equatoria State, where a big military development has been reported. On the morning of 24 September 2025, around 4 a.m., a joint force of NAS, which is led by Thomas Cirillo, National Salvation Front, and SPLA-IO soldier attacked and captured a major SSPDF garrison in Kadi'ba County, Mondari area. According to the report, the opposition force say they launched the attack because SSPDF soldiers were constantly harassing civilians, looting village, and attacking their positions. According to joint force, the opposition force say they launched this operation. According to the joint command, they killed 13 SSPDF soldiers, captured one APC tank in good condition, and seized a large number of weapons including machine gun and rifle. They declare that they now have full control of Kadi'ba County This operation shows how fragile security remains in Equatoria, where multiple army groups are active. The commander of NAS and SPLA-IO congratulate their troops and promise more operation to weaken SSPDF control. This was being reported by the spokesperson of the SPLA-IO. Once again, they wanted civilians not travel with military convoy, saying it is unsafe. This news highlights the reality of what is happening in South Sudan. Peace remains unstable, while leaders argue in Juba, ordinary people in village continue to face gunfire, displacement, and fear. Our first story is permanent constitution-making process began in capital Juba. Let's go to Juba City, where something historic is about to begin. According to the National Constitution Review Commission, they say that they announced it is ready to start collecting people's view for the permanent constitution. After a year of delay, the commission said field consultation will begin in early October 2025. The team will be deployed to Eastern Equatoria, Lake State, Western Barghazal, and Northern Barghazal to ask ordinary citizens what they want to see in the constitution. Oyet Patrick Charles, who leads the Civic Education and Consultation Committee, explained that the team have finished training and are now ready to gather data that will be used to draft the new constitution. This process is important because the constitution will shape the future of South Sudan. Our power is shared, our rights are protected, and our peace can be maintained. Jacqueline Nasiwa, Executive Director of the Center for Inclusive Governance, stressed that commissioner must give clear and consistent message when speaking to the people. She also said women, youth, and people with disability must play an active role. Meanwhile, UN Women praised the Commission for progress since 2023 and promised to continue supporting a gender-responsive constitution. For ordinary citizens, this is your chance to speak up. A constitution is not just a paper. It is the law that guides the country for generations. Your voice matters. And that brings us to the end of today's news on Changfied channel. Kan kono niam gwasame gurjen o de la rointin kono lat korodian an walle. Bana jeling kamadan le rode rei wichka South Sudan. Mi jirame jidit gwasame ken niam gurjen o jende subscribe kan kono niam. Bantin kon lat korodian bana kling gwasame. Jo niam bana nywa gwasame bana roitina ka queen entin konti la bodyguard nying dakring machar ka jo chalat gwasame. Chala no native kon la gang daring machar cha kep gwase yan ka daring machatin ka pai diok chang yan dang ro bakal ka pai diok ron kin dang ro jan dang ro wi diech chala do en walle ki pan dio je chakalun pan chala do chakalun dundo ta chakalun ka je wa ken take ka situation me be ki taken rerika chala no ken shiga barara be panken chaka nang ka juba teaching hospital anta makaka teaching hospital waken take a serious condition ke take a bad point medit waken gorkan lo karim de kan lo karim gwas dana tikitin ka jow dana shalat gwas meni ko gorga jeno batin kon lat ko din baka ngach wa gorga jeno ken de kan lo karim an ideal tiga families supporteri ken rami mo nogo no dong dere kan lo wa dir tig den dere je lo ka tubdu karim ka kanetin kon tin la bodyguard da ringa chatin pailun ko kan tikitin ka pet baro reti jena ka gwas dan yan ka kel ke dar ma char ba cha kulo yen ka blue house ngai kon me dane ci tok yene yan ka of course tere mu ci tok mu chana ngaje no ci damanda ni luka ci yere ci ojien reite jien wade cha ka pen o ka dolwal donc jen ko kuma kin me yadi dan tama ko jela gorno ken de ka mo kawal ko cha ka nang rewi ka juba hospital wara mu gorno der ci kudien winami no der je gorno ba kudien ko ba ko ka jo chalat gwasame ka kwidien kanede kontin la bodyguard dakring machar waken bigate gwada dana ba ka moy ka waltin redul wal chakula do nene tikenetin kontin la kuma South Sudan ka do ba dana cikanete to cikan ga cenga je no chaga cenga je ka rete jen wane me shima gwa eno de ram prisoner eno de je doike de je cenga je ka ta dan cik barar ka je waken pondien a cikari shio ko tele kon ketel pute gori cham kan gare jimi ke kan bodong chaka la de jekre jimi chitka odong chaka torture chen mandar ngai kone so ti chitkiti gori jen wode kon kan ngach anyok te mi kon bi paru igwaseme netin konte cha yen ka kwi da kama char no kene content da dore bi ngaje no kene teka ka gat teken ka men teken ka jidore ken kene de ti gor kan lok no shi kene ti labang bang ni kene ti mo ti bom ti cha kulo kep gwa da dan gor kan o de so Sudan der teka mal ko jen gwa dan wa captain chana ka remember no ken kene de teka family chana wuka lera do diana dana ci to gwaseme chala dan wo te ke riek mi choda lat no jom chala da kum SPLA-IO sector 3 gwad mi cha ok cha ko nang tin no kenyirol wa ok cha kan nang no ka jodan chala gwaseme nyirol county wa kum SPLA-IO sector 3 la querien charaje no nene kene chicken criminally kene de konen cha ok cha ko pe ka youth kene chicken ka kwet biara long ka jom chala gwaseme kali TV no chala do la lieutenant colonel Kornyang rajaram dala communication officer ka kume dung SPLA-IO chala do nene ta dana chalat enwa wa ka kwal no ka nyirol ke ka yut ajana na me lat ne de kon lat commissioner me e kume SPLA-IO wate ne te kan ka jur no kan ne de kan ka jur gwasama wa kanetin kon tilla Lower community rai wucin winami wachi lower community ne lower community chikan met commissioner na me but chala do kanedi chare leke SPLA-IO pinkir mayadit ko biken ne de konen taka yut ngane ken bukan ko nang ko lokano binwer spiritual leader ma kwai tudu bo ka malakal wa system chare leke ko bingane tin konen jel kelke ma kwai tud baro den kularit bi kulawa wuga nyen ka lower community chala do mi chit kaname a distraction again mulat ke kuma SPLA-IO pinkir mayadit kanedi te chaga ko dyor chala do mi jikana lat mi jiga long shi mago aduno ci kornyang che jow la do wona gwasmeni mi gorno ba nyaa ye kel bane kornyang jaram danan la kwer chala do wonene alanetin content tila lower community kana ga wer awaken ran kana daman shikan da ga ka cikin danyen kan ke jan tam me metrik tiktina panken ci de gang ne kan ke de kan kwelo hoken wana mo ci chong yala de wona ne tine ka communication connecting kontila community leader ka lower community ko ba churde te ten chaok cha ko kwal ka chuda SPLA-IO ko binwer in kontila ngwan nwere tin jel kel ke ma kwatut baro de rid bu ko yin gana ko bu ko bu kan non kan me che bu twok kan ba ok to ba ka dil lo jok sector 3 under Major General John Luke Bayak kan ke lower chief chicken ladu barin mat ka ba chura to tin gorga jenwo de markam ga work and nur community kan lower community ano de chiani de yar wana moni amlat ka gatit kume SPLA-IO ka yuri kan ga yorpin ko gwe ke jenwo ma kwatut be jen ba waka malakal ba kur be jotu mi kan mi chine me chero de bulat ka jodan chicken lat chikala do ne ngai kon dialano an kwelo la ka kolka baname kene system kene no wal kan lo use kan kamijien be kanetin kontin ke hokten ta ka yut be kan ko kan ka bom kene kana mutwok baname twoge re which ko shi kuma SPLA-IO mente re lo nur no chikana guru bi kan michide me bi kan lat ko gurgo no bi na buga tekangu buga teka friction ke buga teka gang ne kam ne ken kan na me chi chuong so cha jo mo cha jala de ken gur ko no de kon lingala to gur ge jeno lo nuer kana ga wer ba ka kot enetin kon la kum ker me yadit cha jo me cha ja kon ka kan chem to ko ntame community met ken ka tin kon kanetin kon no kamal kan me cha la de men mi ka ngwana le de mo ka kwi tet ka SPLA-IO kan ba ok to ba ka lo jok ba ka lo ka yut kenyirol cha jo mo cha ja kwen jo me ki ler di na ban nyoko mukwen kono gwas me bana right kiri ga dana chituok no kamandari western equatoria gwad mi mo cha de ni SSPDF cha ka jutin ka cha kan nak ne di shop ko wal diok cha jo mo cha kwen gwas me ka warga mi cha gor ka ne tin kontila kume SPLA-IO warga nen yena me mi ci kana gor ne tin content charin mat kume SPLA-IO kana kume mental ka NAS National Salvation Front element right General Thomas Serilo so bana jom banje linkel rega me togan wala ka chanya ndang ro ngwan ka pay bongwan kun kin dang ro jan dang ro de biya me le ro do gwas me bi kono ling ka jan lere meni gwa de kon dial te ka liang do mo gwa an wala ke jen run wanga pay wo chang jan dang ro de ngwan ka pay bongwa ron kin dang ro jan dang ro de dich wa ke 4 am menyono ta ngwan ka wer watch joint force dung NAS National Salvation Front kana kuma SPLA-IO watch arden mat wa chicken doranda na te SSPDF tin la major SSPDF garrison ke based in me te kam chala Kadi'ba county commandery area ken chicken ga cap chikala no chicken SSPDF chicken ka joj opposition force nying SPLA-IO ken NAS ken chine base mo chine kebla base SSPDF chajo me chajala de ken ne de ti let ken ne de kontila civilian let ken ke jek kwalkan kwakien kala ken ya taguntin kontinetin chukuma SPLA-IO chicken jo mo chicken lat according to menan chikala gwa so me ken chicken dangwal jo chicken ganak tila de ne SSPDF ka ken chicken Michael 1 APC tang la tang mi cha nyot ja online dir jiga social media ken ci ken keb na mo ken te good condition anyok bo ken ci gumeti wan long ci ken ga keb ka kur dana ci tok ken machine gun wona machine gun ken rifle ci ken ga keb gwad dan ci kur ci tok tin cha jo mo cha jala de ken adi ne ka jelle ter ci ken gor gwad me ken entama tene ka full control of Kadi'ba county ajane na me Michigan lat and walle ajari gadan choda lare which in binami mugoro de kon ling kata dan and ngai konano ala peace and tema kajan time me beje long re which ka South Sudan gwa mo na kam lo ka darkama chatin na me Michigan lare which in binami and Michigan me bokon nyododi kai kotori ala security situation wa beje security moment in binami wache bej ko chinas ken SPLA-IO charin mat waken they are advancing ko buku won yam ka do badana we ka juba ka jawran chala ka je ameni mi chamal chaje konung kirmi yadit ka jawran kanalat National Salvation Front ken SPLA-IO charian mat kel ko big let kel ere kana mene so mi chide na me chiga jawdu ni kan nyolat gwas men go nene jong ne civilian ken de konon jel ten la jal lora banki civilian anu ana ci jel ka gwada dan enti dinetakaten ka ran ci jel bo ke military convoy ko mu ko tuok dong de jo mampin ado ko kuje mo chicken na me chicken tup kata ran chicken lat mnon kon ka leren ngwandien gwaseme me bu kon link mandan le rode re wike juba chala de wona permanent constitution making process wa chaje tuok na me tuok re wike juba city ngai kone ala bung won mala kon right ko kwida ni chang wan tama wa chaje tuok leni ke chatwok National Constitution Review Commission chikan na announce and wona kenen tama chikan dial kan ga tuk ku wona ko bika jien bikan ko gor bikan ko tich katin kon gor kan no de latre constitution ka ki permanent constitution jo dan chalat again National Constitution Review Commission NCRC waken chare realikan tama ko bika jien ka kor kame chirwon chewe ko ngai kona chetega delay men mi dilong leb ko jena wal no permanent constitution no baje tuk but kana konto ke kan realika ka gwasedan me jaga ko ti ke kenu ngu mechanian constitution kenyen to go permanent constitution ko kana kona ram ke queen kwara ram ke jok bara na chikala do ne chari real chaga tuk antame buka wo re wech ka South Sudan ko biken god yalan kon kisteni biken ko te katin kon gor ken ka tinde mat ka permanent constitution ka gwadan biken tok tin ala consultation akan biken tok ka pai well ni ko tuk pai well me bibenane ronkin dangro jandangro dich kala do ne ba team ba deploy ke ba ga jaki eastern equatoria ala bon ba ga jaga leg state ba ga jaga western bargazal ka ba ga jaka northern bargazal no but kana panal kana matin kan unity state kana matin kan goda tigaro den chala don kan jongle bo kana matin bo so ne ti kan ko ba ti jekan ko biken men gur kan men lat ka constitution bikan walat ka ba ka ladan gwad mo ko jodan chalat gwasme ba ordinary citizen ba ko tijekan what they want to see in the constitution ko na ran gur jeno de constitution de la de gwa ajen ko kan mo ko kan lat ke je kana ba na mo ba je tuk ko ba ne dial ba ka teach ka tin kon gur kan de wo ka permanent constitution oyet Patrick Charles aram kela dana la civic education and consultation committee kela de wonene kene ci timda ci medani gur ka je tuk mal antama ko koredi ko bne data bne ko collect kana ni de content re wika South Sudan ko ba new constitution ba je kulu tu kana process me very important long la tuk la de men kana very important long ka gora ne ideal ko lat permanent constitution ajen be South Sudan be chebo ala future of South Sudan tab South Sudan be ro ke je ke be chonga je mo wa constitution me waje tuk ba cherne ndial baga matin kana bi dial be ka go cha jomo cha jala de ken Jacqueline Nasiwa ajiram dal executive director of the Center for Inclusive Governance jala do ne kana commissioner can be a clear and consistent message because to ka queenat can men lat ke long gwad me gurge jeno ne dia de participate long ne re kon la men ne re kon tin la ngweni ne re kon la disable ke ne re kon char long tin ka bom and on lat ne re kon tin bom pani ken gurge jeno ken they have to play an active role ka jen constitution making ameni ko ba cha ni ken cha bu banjor en mo gurke na mode matin kan wot ba jidin matin cikan jo mo cikan lat so much can me amugoro de kondia tekaliang. And that bring us to the end of today news on Changfied channel. We cover 4 big stories, okay? The release of Dr. Machar, God in Juba, and the sad days of Luka in custody. The SPLA-IO Sector 3 condemning cattle raid in Ural and promising justice. Third, the joint NAS or National Salvation Front and SPLA-IO operation capturing Kadi'ba County in Western Equatoria. And fourth, the launch of South Sudan permanent constitution making consultation. My message to you, dear viewers, is simple. Stay informed, stay engaged, and always speak for peace and justice in South Sudan. If you found this video useful, please subscribe to Changfied YouTube channel, and do not forget to hit the notification bell. Give it a thumb up and share it with your friend and family. Your support helps us grow and continue to bring you the news that matter. Thank you for watching. Until next time, this is Changfied News, your trusted voice for South Sudan. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye.